Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your deleted photos or videos in your gallery in your Redmi smartphone. How you can do so. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open gallery, click on gallery, and friends, here it is, you can see album. Click on deleted items. Friends, you can see it is no deleted items. Let's first you have to delete the item like this. And how you can restore, click on deleted items, and here it is for 29 days. Till then it will be permanently deleted. You have to long press this and click on restore, and friends, you can see it is restored. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.